Hi, my name's Edward Nostrand and I'm the National Sales Director for Optimum CS.
I'm Nushin Yasari, I'm the President and Managing Director of Optimum.
As a software development firm, we partner with the best-in-breed OEMs. A great example of this is our Platinum partnership with Smartsheet. We make it a top priority to help our clients both identify and solve for their greatest business challenges. One of our core competencies is in the integration and customization of Smartsheet's premium software platform.
As a Smartsheet Platinum partner, not only we specialize in implementation of various solutions within the core Smartsheet platform, but also we specialize in implementation and integration of the premium apps such as Control Center, Resource Management, Dynamic View, and other premium apps that Smartsheet offers to its customers.
And this leads us into all types of industries. In fact, Nushin, we recently assisted a manufacturing client with their very unique Smartsheet needs.
That's right, Eddie. We have a large enterprise manufacturing company that had different business challenges and needs across various departments. Our team was able to address those challenges using the Smartsheet platform. We implemented an IT PMO solution for them. We helped their R&D department and R&D team to automate their business processes. And we also helped the new product development team bring in those business processes and data within the Smartsheet platform. And then we added reporting capabilities on top of that so they can all have visibility and collaborate with each other across different departments.
We were working with a large manufacturing company. We've supported their IT department for a while and helped with their Smartsheet needs. As we were working with them, a new use case came up with their product development team, and so they asked for us to get involved and help with that implementation. So we started that work by doing a deep assessment with their team. So not only looking at what are you looking to do, but making sure we understood how they were currently working and what they were using to accomplish their work at this time.
One of the first things we do before beginning the actual development of the project is kind of lay down the foundations and get a general scoping with our users about what their processes is, both in a current state and a future state. So we really try to, level the playing field to make sure everyone understands what's going on. So from there we perform a discovery phase that then transitions into our development testing phase, and then finally our training and rollout and monitoring to support that end use case. Beyond just the software tools, we'll also identify those core user groups. So in this project, we are dealing with both lab technicians, we're dealing with project managers, project executives, and C-class members, as well as members of IT and support. So very large user base and lots of people that have different areas and points in time during the project where they're entering information. So we have a very large amount of stakeholders that we have to work with to gather these user stories to collect and kind of build out the work that we are going to be developing during our discovery process.
I think that's something that's very unique about Optimum is the fact that when we are meeting with our clients, while we are a Smartsheet Platinum member and we are building out a final deliverable in Smartsheet, at the end of the day, if the tool does not meet their business needs, it's not a useful tool. So during this discovery phase, as Chris said, we are doing process maps, we are doing SciPoc exercises, we are getting the right decision makers and the right people who are actually doing the work in the room so that we can understand how is this going to happen? How does your business process work? That way, using those process maps, we can quickly identify any inefficiencies that exist and as well as devise up new strategies. How do we want to make this better? How do we remove redundancies? How do we remove waste from the system so that it's a lean process through and through before we begin developing the tool? So once we have all of that lined up and we have an idea of what we want our final architecture to be, not that we have to have every detail lined up, but we have a rough idea of what we're trying to accomplish with each section of the tool, then we begin the development phase.
Development's always one of the most exciting parts, especially with Smartsheet because it's a collaborative tool. So during the build out, we're actually interacting with the end users of the product. So we had mentioned before that we were working with these technicians. So we were able to kind of put ourselves in their shoes and understand their work environment from our prep research. And then we're able to build out these tools and show them kind of live in real time. This is what this is going to look like, give us your feedback. And we can modify it kind of with that sprint kind of agile methodology to really get a tailored workflow to what they need and them to contextually see what's going to be the end product before the final thing is fully built.
I think that we were able to accomplish a lot with this client. We were able to standardize how they work and build the reporting and understand and improve their processes. But at the end of the day, a really exciting part is that we're not done with the work. We're not done with that partnership. So since then, we've actually actually partnered with other departments, their PPO department, and we're about to start work with their legal department to help them do the same thing that we did with this client. There's a lot of room for improvement in these different groups, and we're excited to continue to partner with them.